This hill down to the creek is always a little scary when it's wet, especially. So sometimes I don't go down there for months at a time if it's too wet. It's really the only place on our property that stays wet. The rest of it up here is pretty sandy. Alright, gonna get these logs back up to the log pile. Some of these are, actually most of these are burned right now. So, all seasoned and ready to go. It's the joy of standing dead. Seasons for you. Well, it was pretty windy last night. Had a dead tree fall. It's like a Scotch pine to me. Pinus sylvestris. So we'll see if we can get this sucker out of here. Parking brake is not so strong, I suppose. Jeez. Holy crap. It's got a runaway tractor, folks. Another exciting day. Mow, sow, and grow. It's pretty steep down to there. Alright, so the camera is level. Kind of shows the slope I'm working at right now. Let's get some of these logs out of here to the wood pile. Maybe today I'll start cutting some wood up for this cold snap we're about to have. My wife works from home, so she doesn't like to freeze her butt off. You know, I've been wanting to rip this thick honeysuckle out for a long time. I just really had time to do it. It just got crushed by the dead tree that fell, so now it's a perfect time to get rid of it. Oh my, wood pile's getting pretty big. I have to start chipping it. Thanks for coming along with me today as I brought some logs up to the wood yard. Stay tuned for next video. I will be clearing some land to relocate my wood yard. Thanks for watching.